George! Why did you have to run? Oh, the sun is out. It's cold.
Yes, look at all of these amazing frozen trees.
Look at that. That's so cool. That's your
Frosted over the leaves.
Look. Look at that. Aren't they so cool? Brad, let's breathe, Brad. Can you see? Breathing 1, 2, 3.
No, you got to.
It's frozen one, isn't it? Where's the thingy that you picked that one up? That one there. You like that one, George? It's George, doesn't it? It's frozen, Miguel. It's frozen. That's just how it is. And all the grass are white because it's frozen. Look at that. Frozen, George. Walk that way, Brad. That way. You hear it. George, that way, that way. When you walk on the grass, it goes. Come on that way. Follow Kuya. Come on. And the sun is out, look. It's beautiful. Huh? Turning glittery. Melted. The frozen corn will melt, isn't it, George? When the sun is out. And that one, George.
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Whoa, that is so cool, Georgie.
Oh my god, looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Ah! Not the ninja leaf. I must disarm you.
It's awesome, George. Oh. It's frozen. You know, if you scrape it, there is a ice on it, George. You see? Silly Kuya. They're stomping frozen leaves.
Amazing.
Crack, 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 George. Yeah. See? It has a cracking sound. This one here, where the frozen leaves are. See? It's nice, huh? Let's have a look. It is frozen. Got the sun today. Yeah, careful, okay? But you can run. Okay. Sun is out. Say good morning, Mr. Sun. Frozen away. size. Right. Morning, everyone. Morning, Brad. Pardon? No, climbing is not so climbing, huh? Green outfit. No, don't touch it now. Don't touch it. The stick. Come that way. Come on, walk, Brad. With George. It's frozen, yeah. All is frozen. You can run that way. Run that way. Quick. Quick. Oh no, Koya's running, George. Love it. Come on, use your baby muscle. Quick. Push you can. Louder. Sun is out. Bit of a consolation. Sparkly? No, you're gonna make your coat wet. Don't leave it. It's glittery, Georgie.
I like it.
Huh?
No! No, you can't lick it. Not here.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Well, she wanted to experience it.
Tasty.
Tasty.
Let's have a look. Do it again, baby girl. Look at the stroke of this one, Brad. It's really cool. Look at it. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah.
Nature is cool, isn't it, Brad?
Depends which side of nature you're looking at.
It's sparkly, George.
Look how beautiful nature is.
Every wipe it.
Look how beautiful I am.
Sparkly.
George,
Yeah?
why are you so pretty?
I want to have fun and Daddy.
Correct. You like that one, yeah?
Hi.
Why are you so handsome?
I am.
You are.
And what about me?
And Georgia too, yeah. Why are you so handsome?
Because I have mummy and daddy.
Percentage?
50-50.
50. George, why are you so pretty?
Because one half of Daddy and Mommy.
Correct. One half of daddy and one half of mommy, yes?
Yeah.
Awesome. Come on. Oh no! get a mustache now, George. Mustache and an eye. Mustache. No, George, no. Look at that. That's really cool. So cool. Aren't you thankful that you're alive? It's cold in here though. It's January chills. But this is absolutely awesome.